Hello guys, it's Corey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2025 Dodge Durango and I'm going to show you how to change the air filter. The air filter box is right here. This is easy, no tools required. So if you look down, there's two clips, one on the left, one on the right, and that releases the air box lid. So all you do is bring it up to you. There's two hinge points in the back, one there and one right there under the intake hose. So once you lift up, you pull towards you and it pops out, and that allows you enough room to grab a hold of the air filter and pull it out. There's the part number right there. Made in USA, which I like to see. So before you install the new air filter, I like to look in here and clean out any debris. You can actually use a vacuum and suck out anything that's inside here before you install the new filter. Take your new filter, slide it into position just like this. Make sure it's sitting in there flat all the way around. Check the four corners, make sure it's alright. Okay, now we have to line up these hinged areas here on the left and right. Just insert it like that. Same with the left side there underneath that intake tube. You have to kind of push towards the engine. Once you get it where it needs to be, you can bring the front down and apply pressure, and then take your clips and apply some pressure over top the air box just like that. This one on the left, you gotta maneuver around these cables. And that's it. That completes it. Easy enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.